Hey traders, welcome back to SAM Trading Strategies. In today's video, I'm going to show you a powerful and easy strategy that helps you spot and avoid OTC traps while trading in the OTC market on PocketOption. The best part? You only need two simple indicators, Bollinger Bands and the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and this method works on other binary trading platforms too. Stay with me till the end of this video because I'll be sharing the exact indicator settings and the step-by-step entry rules that make this strategy so effective. Quick note before we start. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not investment advice. Trading always involves risk, especially in the over-the-counter market. Please practice on a demo account first, and never trade money you can't afford to lose. Now, why do you even need this strategy? Well, OTC markets are famous for fake breakouts designed to trap traders. Most beginners fall for these traps, but with today's method, you'll learn how to spot them, avoid them, and even profit from them. Step 1. Trap setup. First, wait for a candle to go outside the Bollinger Band. If the candle goes above the upper band, it can set up a sell trade. If the candle goes below the lower band, it can set up a buy trade. But don't rush. The next candle must close back inside the Bollinger Band. This shows that the breakout was false, and this is what we call an OTC trap. Step 2. Confirmation with RSI. Now check the RSI. If RSI is below 30, it means the market is oversold. Look for a buy trade. If RSI is above 70, it means the market is overbought. Look for a sell trade. If RSI is between 40 and 60, it means the market is neutral, so it's better to skip the trade. Step 3. Entry. Once you spot the trap and get confirmation from RSI, place your trade on the very next candle. Your expiry will depend on the candle time frame you are using. Match expiry with two candles of your chosen time frame. For example, a red candle goes below the lower Bollinger Band. The next candle closes back inside the band. The RSI shows 30, which means the market is oversold. This is a clear buy signal. Enter a buy trade. Similarly, a blue candle goes above the upper Bollinger Band. The next candle closes back inside the band. The RSI shows 70, which means the market is overbought. This is a clear sell signal. Enter a sell trade. If you use 15-second candles, keep trade expiry at 30 seconds. If you use 1-minute candles, keep trade expiry at 2 minutes. Always match expiry with two candles of your chosen time frame. Why it works in OTC. OTC markets often show fake movements to confuse traders. This strategy makes you think like the platform. Instead of chasing the breakout, you wait for the price to return inside the range and only then trade with confirmation. Risk management. Very important. OTC can be tricky and manipulative, so always risk only 1 to 2% of your balance per trade. 4 to 5 good setups in a session are more than enough. If you lose 2 trades in a row, stop trading and wait for at least 30 minutes before you start again. Smart money management is the real secret to long-term success. Before we move to the live trades, I have something special for you. You can download the full strategy checklist, indicator settings, and entry rules in a simple PDF format. It's completely free on my Telegram channel. Link is in the video description. All right, traders, now let's go into the live trading session and see this strategy in action. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss powerful strategies like this. Let's begin the real over-the-counter trading session now. Here, you can see the candle broke above the upper Bollinger Band. This is the first sign of an OTC trap because many traders think the market will keep going up and they jump into buy trades. But notice what happens next. The very next candle closes back inside the Bollinger Band. This shows us that the breakout was false and the platform just created a trap. Now let's check the RSI for confirmation. Here the RSI was above the 70 level, which means the market was in an overbought zone. Overbought simply means the price has gone up too much too fast and is likely to fall. That's why I entered a sell trade on the next candle. And as you can see on the chart, the price moved exactly as expected, going down and giving us a winning trade. Here, you can see that a candle broke below the lower Bollinger Band. At first, it looked like the market was going to continue falling. But remember, in over-the-counter markets, many of these moves are just false breakouts. What happened next? The very next candle closed back inside the Bollinger Band. That was my first signal that this was an OTC trap. Now let's check the RSI. At this point, the RSI was around 30, which means the market was in an oversold condition. When the market is oversold, it usually has a higher chance of reversing upwards. That's why I entered a buy trade on the next candle with a 30-second expiry. And as you can see, the price moved upward just as expected, giving us another winning trade. Today's trading session result. So far in this OTC trading session, I took a total of 11 trades. That's an excellent win rate, and it clearly shows how powerful this Bollinger Bands plus RSI OTC Trap strategy can be when followed with discipline and proper risk management. But remember, traders, it's not about winning every single trade. It's about following the rules, managing your risk, and staying consistent. All right, traders, so now you've seen the complete OTC Trap strategy in action. We use just two simple indicators: Bollinger Bands, period, 20, deviation, 2, RSI, period, 7. By combining these two tools, we were able to clearly spot false breakouts, confirm them with RSI, and then take accurate trades. Trading in the over-the-counter market involves risk, so always test this on a demo account first before applying it in real trades. Never risk money you cannot afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you don't miss my next strategy. And don't forget, I've prepared a free PDF checklist with all the indicator settings, entry rules, and risk management tips. You can download it directly from my Telegram channel. The link is in the video description. Thank you for watching, traders. Stay safe, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next video.